Hi, we will quickly look at what are the new additions that has been done to the LangChain and LangGraph space. So, there was earlier a short-term memory, now a long-term memory has been added. That means that you can use LangGraph agents and they can communicate with each other and they will still remember the conversations so that they can be hyper focused on the context. It would not lose that context from the memory. That is what long-term memory addition would do to your coding programs. So this is specifically for the Gen AI space, generative AI. You have LangGraph agents. They can remember information across conversational threads, so making it easier to adapt to users' needs. So now users will not find it cumbersome to keep giving the context again and again through the prompt. It will remember it. That's what the memory does for it. And what are the key features? It will persist the custom memories. That means it will not forget. It will store that in the memory, and it can do content based filtering. So even in the memory it can apply filters and understand, okay, this guy is only focused on US data or North America data, so it can do that. Now this is available for two things, if you're using Python in LangGraph or JavaScript. Only for these two this long-term memory is available, and you can use both cloud and studio to leverage the long-term memory features. So these are important links. You can visit this. I'll also try to paste this in the description. That would be beneficial for you guys. And do go through the tutorial if you want to use the memory agent using Python. This is a link, and if you want to do it using JavaScript, this is a link. It depends upon which language you are more comfortable with. This is a cool feature to remember, because when you are creating such programs, you should not think that now memory is not there. Memory is there for you.